friends, during this pandemic situation when the world is fighting with coronavirus, I Deepsika Das of class 5A want to say few lines to the students. Hope you like it. Lockdown is a time just stay at home. Hope is still alive, so don't feel alone. No school, no study, no friends to play. Only a house of four walls to stay. Read books, do some arts, spread love from the heart. One should not rub their eyes. Please don't eat cold stuff like ice. Sanitize your hands and wear mask to stay safe. It's an easy task. I request all of you to stay at home and help the world to fight this pandemic. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you, respected principals, sir, vice principals, and teachers. My name is Nirnay Kumar Mahanta of class 5B. Today I am going to say a poem. The topic is coronavirus. Yes, it's corona time. Yes, it's corona time. Don't worry, everything will be fine. Corona time is a scary time, so I thought that I could write something to put a smile on lots of faces and request them to maintain space. Wash your hands, use mask and be in quarantine. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. Please stay at home. It's corona time. Meeting a friend in a weekend had no restriction. Unknown was the word quarantine and unknown was the word self-isolation. With lockdown, every man proposed a master plan. Some want to stay silent, some want to come out as a better man. Social media full of beautiful arts and tasty dishes. Somebody spend time in TikTok, somebody play Ludo, and somebody fulfill their wishes. Some feel detached from emotion, felt tap on their own mind. Some fought with their loneliness, it was cruel and unkind. Is this the time to be united, stay together, but in self-quarantine? We must respect our corona warriors for their services to mankind. Warriors are heroes who risk their life to save others. We should salute them for their dedication, care, and favors. One day, when this will come to an end, hopefully we do not drive in our mom, we should look back and cherish the thought of the lessons and we learned and once we were taught. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal, sir, teacher, and my lovely friends. I am myself Sai Prasad Sahu, studying in Saint Xavier High School, Noigan Dimbo, Keonjhar, roll number 36, section A, class 5, and my topic is COVID-19 awareness and safety tips. Did you know? Some people are talking about the new virus called coronavirus. It is also known as COVID-19. Some people are affected in the corona over 60 years. It with the immunity and the symptoms are cold, fever, flu, throat infection, diabetes, heart disease, and kidney disease, chronic. Safety tips for us to protect us from coronavirus. First tips: do not send your child to school with fever, cold, cough symptoms. Second tips: frequently wash hands before and after meal, and when you come after from washroom, and wash hands after coming from outside also. Cover mouth while sneezing, coughing, and use face mask. If you have no mask, you can also wear handkerchief as a mask. Avoid crowded places and outside food. Eat homemade food. Respect the corona fighters or the warriors. Most important thing is drink plenty of warm water, and at last, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Start.
Hello guys, my name is Varsha.
Varshamanta. My school name is Saint Xavier High School. I read in Standard 5, Section A. Today, we are all discussing about coronavirus. How does it affect? Let's see. Today, I am going to speak about coronavirus. Hello, I am coronavirus. I am sure you have heard my name before. You may not much about me. I am very very small. Even if you used a mic, you wouldn't be able to see me. And lots of copies of me, that millions of millions virus like me are all over the world. With the flu and common cold, my nickname is COVID-19. When I make anyone sick, then a disease called COVID-19. Important to remain calm and sensible. It's important to know some facts. I love traveling. I jump from one person to person through cough, achoo, sneeze and touch. Second, wash your hands with soap and water. Often, when you come from outside, at least for 20, wash your hand at least for 20 seconds.
1, 2, 3, I.
When you come from outside, you should wash your hands. And the last fact is, try not to touch your eyes, mouth and nose. To visit, I might make you feel hot and started coughing, but I don't hang around for long time. Almost everyone get better to make every safer and make sure that you avoid touching others. No handshake, no hugs, no high five. Older people are likely to fall sick soon. If you follow this advice, I will stay away and less people will be sick. Thank you so much. And at last I want to tell you, please stay home and stay safe. Thank you.
All of you, my name is Yogojyoti Manta. I read in class 5B. Respected teacher, principal, vice principal and my lovely friend. Today I speak a poem. The poem name is Coronavirus. Yes, it is Corona time. Yes, it is Corona time. Don't worry, everything will be fine. Corona time is a scary time. So I thought that I could write something to put a smile on lot of faces. Request them to maintain distance. Wash your hand with hand wash. Use masks and be in quarantine. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. Please stay at home. It's Corona time. Thank you.
My dear friends, myself Pratiksha Sahu. I read in Standard 5A. Today I will say something about coronavirus. Coronavirus is an infectious disease that spread from one person to another person. So we wash our hands regularly with a soap and use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Avoid touching your face, especially your eyes, nose and mouth. Stay at least 1 meter away from the people, especially if they are unwell. Limit the number of trips to the store. Coughs or sneezes into a tissue, then throw away the tissue and wash your hands. If you don't have a tissue, use the inside of your elbow to cover your mouth. Take medicines only at the doctor advice. When we go outside of the home, we must wear a mask and don't touch the animal and other things and maintain the social distance. Stay at home and call your health worker if you are unwell. Please salute to our corona warriors. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal, sir, and teachers, and my lovely friends. Myself, Pratyush Patnaik. I read in St. Xavier High School, Class 5, Section A, Roll number 24. My topic is coronavirus. As we all know, the whole world now is suffering from a new disease called COVID-19. This is caused by a virus called coronavirus. As we all know, it started in China in the year of 2019. And it affects many lives. It has hugely affected human lives and across the world, and still there is no vaccines and medicine developed for this disease. So each and everyone should take care of ourselves and carefully follow the guidelines. The guidelines are wash our hands with soap and water. Maintain social distancing from others. Use sanitizer and masks when you go outside. Eat healthy food. Stay home. Stay safe. And at least I would say that I salute all the doctors, nurses, health workers, and our government stand against the diseases. Thank you.
Morning, respected principal, sir, teachers, and all dear my friends. My name is Pratigya Rao and I read in class 5A. My topic is coronavirus. Coronavirus is an infectious disease spread from one person to another. COVID-19 affects different people in different ways. Most infected people will develop mild to moderate lesion and recover with hospitalization. When you go to market, wear masks and gloves. After coming home, sanitize and wash your hands in soap. Thirdly, thank you and have a nice day.
Morning, respective principals, sir, teachers, and my dear all friends. Today I am going to say about coronavirus. We all know that coronavirus or COVID-19 is an infectious disease. We must wear a mask and always sanitize ourselves. We must maintain distance and hand wash between 20 minutes and stay at home. Stay safe. Thank you. Start hela.
Good morning everybody. I am Anvesha Priyadarshini Nayak, class 5. I recite a poem. The poem name is Corona Must Be Disappear. Oh my brother, oh my sister, if you use mask and wash your hand with sanitizer, obey the law and order, social distancing with each other at least 1 meter, don't touch eye, nose and mouth. Yoga and exercise to raise our immunity power. Then don't fear, be sure, Corona must be disappear. Salute the COVID-19 warriors. Better treatment to Corona patient by nurse and doctor. Maintaining the law and order. Our police and soldier. Making the environment clean by the sweeper with sanitizer. If we cooperate them, Corona must be disappear. Thank you.